Hello again. We will continue with the gateway questions. In this problem, we are looking at number 21. And before we begin, it's important to note that all of the problems in this section from 21 to 30 will be invoking the quotient rule. So when we look at k, we see it is a quotient of two functions. I'm going to call the numerator a of x, and I'm going to call the denominator b of x. So, in general, the derivative of k will have us evaluate the following quotient. So first what we do is we take the derivative of a and multiply it by b unchanged. Now this step throws a lot of people off, so it's important that you do this correctly. Next, we're going to subtract the product of a of x unchanged times the derivative of b. Be sure you have a minus sign here instead of a plus. And in the denominator, what we will do is we will take b of x unchanged and simply square it. So this is the form that our derivative will have. Notice that we're only differentiating two factors here. We're differentiating a and b, and everything else is unchanged. So it might be helpful to write down the terms that are unchanged in their entirety. For instance, this b of x term we can just write as x minus 1. Likewise for a of x. And likewise for the denominator, b of x squared. So all we have to do now is compute a prime of x here and b prime of x here. Well, this is a simple application of the sum, difference, and power rules, right? We've seen this before. The derivative of 3x is 3, and the derivative of negative 2 is 0. And likewise, the derivative of x minus 1 is simply 1. So, this is the answer we obtain using the quotient rule, which is correct, and there is no need to simplify.